नमस्कार, मैं नंदावल्लभ जोशी ग्राम पर्यटन समिति रिसाल में अध्यक्ष हूँ। इस समिति को 2004 से शुरू किया गया, जिसका उद्देश्य था कि गांव के सारे लोगों को जोड़ के इसमें काम करना है। और जो विलेज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड हमारी जो वो है, उनके द्वारा समय समय पर गेस्टों को भेजने का भी वो किया गया था, जो आज तक चल रहा है। ये हमारी जो गांव कमेटियां हैं, ये विलेज की 5 गांवों में कमेटियां हैं।
India lives in villages, and there are lot of things to learn from the villagers who are living in those villages. VillageWay has come up with a very good concept of community living, where community group owns the guest house and people from across the country, across the world, coming to those villages, living there and knowing about our culture. Jubilant Foundation came into this journey and we supported VillageWay to rebuild those guest house after this COVID impact, because there were many such guest houses which are run by community. They were affected due to this lockdowns and many other provisions which came across during this COVID. Thank you VillageWay for bringing such opportunity to the villagers and giving us this opportunity to contribute for this cause. Thank you.
We are very thankful to the Jubilant Foundation for this kind support to our 5 villages in Binsar. And for the last 2 years, it has been a tough journey for us as well as our partner villages. So this has come as a ray of hope for all of us. And currently we are working on the maintenance work in these villages, ensuring that the traditional architecture is maintained, as well as we are doing some upgrade work so that the standards for the guests are improved and they can have a very good and comfortable experience. So with all these efforts coming together, we are very hopeful to make a fresh start from autumn 2022